Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this Kallspin Man 100% cotton stand collar. It's a long sleeve cardigan with a zipper. This is a casual fine knit sweater. It's on the market, available in indigo, navy blue, like shown in that video, gray, dark gray, light gray, and black. You can get this in the size of M, L, XL, XXL, and triple XL. Ooh, what is that kind of wear here? This is a sweat jacket. It's the name for a knitted jacket that can be closed with a zipper. The word sweat comes from the English and means sweat, or the verb sweat to sweat. Compared to sweater of sweatshirts, the sweatshirt jacket has the advantage that it can be opened and thus the heat effect can be easily regulated, and that the hairstyle is not affected when the jacket is not affected. Furthermore, the base threads of the thread shirt fabric are not thicker than those of a t-shirt, but the lining thread makes the good thicker and thus warms. Since the fabric can be produced on high-performance machines and is normally made, it is cheaper in product than, for example, an cord knit sweater. Due to the mechanical load of this shear process, the fiber of the feed thread is damaged. For this reason, the fluffy inside becomes snug and harder after a prolonged use, as the fiber continues to break, so-called pilling. Thus, the warming function of the garment also decreases over time, but this is normal. It's the same in a pullover or something else. This sweater here for man is made of pure cotton, which is particularly soft on the skin and breathable too. It therefore provides a pleasantly warm feeling without excessive sweating. Even on transitional days, classic style comes here to us with a full-length zipper, the stand-up collar, and the ribbed cuffs. The knitted sweater for men are simple, elegant, and sporty. The sturdy, smooth running zipper with a rubber slider ensures effortlessly opening closing are nice wear. And the fit and the size advice, the M up to 3XL. So you should make a measure of your chest height and compare it with the size chart, which you can see in the offer. That the stand-up collar sweatshirt fits normally as you like to, stylish and versatile. Classic plain design and the different colors makes the cardigan with a zipper for man a real all-rounder. Perfect for the office, for the leisure, outdoor activities, or cozy evenings at home. Then, of course, the sweater should be turned inside out and close the zipper before we are going to wash it in the machine. Air drying is preferred, if necessary, at a low temperature in the dryer. The medium level when the ironing is sufficient of this process. Then you can have a long time fun with the Kallspin Man's 100% cotton stand collar long sleeve cardigan with zipper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!